Okay, today, not today, so I'm going to show you something like that. The the code name COLO. So the name is a Colonial Motor. It's a long time, 2013. It will be a CM Holding. CMC Holding, CM Holding. Give me one second. It's a CM Holding. It will be changed into CM Holding. Okay. From here, this table link into that. This table I am getting from investing.com. Okay, you can able to see it from here. The query not data property. Let's not a property. Edit query. So as an advanced editor, you can able to see the investor.com query like that. That's a query I'm getting from not a query, and that's the place I'm getting from investing.com. So it's a table name called Q data live, and this is the table name, code name. So this table to get the link like that I getting data. Unfortunately, the table not change. So if I change it over here into CM holding, for example, I'm going to show it to you. Mm, like that, like it. From here, so CM holding on the Colonial Motor going to disappear. Um, Not at Colonial Motor, the code name COLO going to disappear. For example, I want to refresh it. To take at least 30 seconds to 15 seconds to update. On it's taking too long. Okay, it's taking too long to refresh it. Anyhow, the so if something, is there any progress in part, if I can able to see it, how much, so they refresh it or something, it's better. Maybe they updated 2019 or something. Okay, that's the easy way to do it some other way. So see, if I change, even if I change to here also, it's not going to work. So from here, for that I am going to copy this. Just paste, copy. Okay, that's what I need. Cloning, but it's still not changing. Okay, not going to change it. It's automatically this one link going to display. So previous few videos ago, so I already linked the two table. For that is showing this one equal to this one. Here, this one display. So this not to disappear. This one blank. Colonial Motor will be somewhere in here down. Yeah, over here without any code for that 100. So I had to replace the name instant Colonial Motor to same holding. For that I am going to achieve that task. Edit. There are several ways to do it. So for me, I'm going to do it this way. So from here, before that I had to find the Colonial Motor. Yeah, replace it. Yeah, replace it. Don't do it. Replace it the CM Holy Colonial Motor. I didn't copy that clone. I didn't copy the colonial motor disk. And I didn't copy the colonial motor. Okay, copy. Now again come to here. See, I'm holding. Copy. Okay, I keep it here. Otherwise, it won't be a problem for me to type it. 100. So be 100 over here. Okay, this one going to change it. If it's this one change, automatically over here, this one also getting data after that. It's a data. Okay, this one going to get the data. So that the table link to, you can able to see the data live. That's the table over here. Let's call another name called data live table. To data live, that's a main table. So another table, another name called this same table data live. We also 0 for me to achieve the task over here and query edit. You can able to see is any change it over here. You can get the under the filter table. Not a filter, it's a applied setup. If there any chance I can able to all together in merge into one applied table, good. So I don't know if I can achieve that task. So if I can able to achieve that one, this one will be okay. First I need to achieve the colonial motor into CM hall. Okay, from here I need to change it into not in the colonial motor CM holding, not in the code, no. So it's in the um, name tab. From here I'm going to change the code into name. So if you want to refresh it, I just close and load it. You can able to see the result over here. It will take the 10 to not a 10, 15 seconds at least. Well, then change. Let me see it. Oh, it's a CM holding. Holding came here. I did something wrong. Undone. Okay, so already replace it, not to replace it with the same hole. For that I had to change it over here. So to be a change into colonial motors. So that's I didn't change it, I forgot that. I don't know why I forgot that one. This table, so that's a small, if you made a small mistake, it's going to be a really tension. Not a tension, sorry, not a tension. Okay, where did I make the mistake? So, you didn't notice, but it's fine. So here, so I'm going to show you the code I'm getting from this c dot no, code dot name that table. Okay, that's the table. It's called code name. So this table I'm getting from name, task, everything I'm getting from the table number 2. So and table. So now I'm going to close and refresh it. No need to close and refresh it, just refresh it. So it will come. All I have to change it once I refresh it here. All I need to change it over here. This one. If I change anything, that query automatically check that this one true, this one true. After that, if the both true, and change into this colonial motor to CM holding. That's how that code be CM holding. That's this idea. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So easy way to replace the I before I try to get this one. I change into check into ChatGPT. Nowadays, I don't know if it's any problem. I just go here, come here, ChatGPT. I just check it out, get ChatGPT. Still, I didn't find the solution for no undo for macros. That means after running macros each time, so automatically my undo. For example, I'm going to show you that's a problem. Still, I didn't find it. So once I find out, I'm going to change it, and here for here colonial motors. Okay, okay. See here the date 29. Okay, 29. From here only refresh only available. From here I just end. Oh, date everything change, but here, date everything change, but I can't find the undo. Gray out. That's a by default in using macros causing side effect to macros. One I need to find out. Still I didn't figure things out, so I have to stop that one. That's why using ChatGPT and settings. I try to post it out and Reddit also. Maybe once I post it in Reddit, maybe like I'll get the help. Okay, once I find out how to stop that one, I'm going to make it another video how to stop that one. Okay, whatever you do it, before you do it, go here, copy the main file and just paste it. Otherwise, if anything happen your query, power query, you can reverse it. So don't do it in directly without making any backup. Okay, thank you.